Hey guys, today we are in Golf MK8 and I'm going to show you how to enter the hidden menu in the infotainment system, which is over here. I'm not yet sure how this infotainment is called, but here's the important part. When you are in the main menu, just press and hold over here on the display and wait a few seconds for the hidden menu to appear. And over here in the service mode you have three options. You have the software update menu, you have the FETS swap menu, which can show you which codes are supported by the car and which are actually installed, and we have the ERA GLONASS test mode. So maybe let's go to the FETS menu. You can check which codes are supported. You have a list of codes and you can check which codes are installed. So we have few valid codes over here. If you press on a code, you can check some details about this specific license code. So we can check for which car is it created, when it was created, if it's still valid, and so on. And if we go back over here, we have also the software update version menu, but there's a prompt that you should not turn off the infotainment while performing some updates. I'm not sure if I want to start anything, so I'm going to cancel right now. Still, this is early on. There's not much information about this unit, so I don't want to make any changes over here. So that's why I'm keeping it safe. And this menu is not working for me. There's nothing going on other than when I turn
Emergency
off.
call test mode cancelled. Emergency call function switching to normal operation.
Exactly that, other than this message from my infotainment system. So that's pretty much it. In the description below this video I will try to post some more details about this menu if I find something. And give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.